Today I have a huge lip smacker unboxing. Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started today's video, I just want to remind you guys to hit the subscribe button down below. It would really help my channel out a lot, so I would really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I have tons of awesome lip smackers I cannot wait to unbox. So let's just get started. Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be opening up 23 total lip smacker lip balms. I'm super excited. So let's just go from left to right. So real quick, the first one that we have is this lip smacker Zoom Zoom. This is Marie from Aristocats. Then we have the Originals pack. Then we have the new Best Flavor Forever Days of the Week pack. We have the Coca-Cola pack, and then we also have the Princess Belle. So let's just start over here. So this one is Marie from Aristocats. This is the scent Love in Perry. So let's just open this up and see what it smells like. Okay, so this is so cute and adorable. This is what she looks like out of the packaging. So let's just twist this and open it up. Okay, so this is kind of like an EOS. So this is what it looks like, and it's supposed to smell like pears. So I'm gonna give this a try. Okay, so this one smells really good. This one literally smells like pears. Like that's literally what it smells like, is just a juicy pear. So that is really exciting that the fragrance is like so on spot with this, and this is just so cute and adorable. I cannot get over this. Okay, so up next we have an Originals pack. This has oatmeal cookie, vanilla, mango, watermelon, tropical punch, cotton candy, kiwi, and strawberry. So let's just open this up and see what is inside. Okay, so let's try out oatmeal cookie first. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this I was a little worried of what this was gonna like smell like or taste like, but it's not that bad. It's not the best, but it's definitely not gross and disgusting like I was worried it was gonna be. Up next we have vanilla, so let's try this one out. Okay, so this one smells amazing. This one is like literally so good. I'm in love with this one. I just tried it. It's really good and it's totally on spot to vanilla. Okay, up next I have the mango scented one. Okay, this one is really good. It literally smells like straight up mangoes. They did amazing on this one as well. Okay, up next we have watermelon. I'm super excited to try this one. You guys have no idea. I'm so excited to try this. You guys, this one smells amazing. This one smells exactly like a watermelon Jolly Rancher or like a watermelon candy. It just smells amazing. I'm obsessed with this one. This one is definitely my favorite so far. Now up next we have tropical punch. Okay, this one literally smells exactly like tropical punch. Like spot on. They are doing so amazing so far. I am so surprised how spot on these are. Okay, now up next we have cotton candy. I just want to say really quickly, I'm adoring this light pink packaging. It's literally like the cutest thing ever. Okay, so this one smells really good. I do love the packaging on this one. Okay, so now up next we have the kiwi scented one. So let's try this one out. This one smells really good to me. It kind of smells like a lemon or lime kiwi, but there's definitely like a kiwi scent in here. It's really good and I really like this one. And last but not least from this pack we have strawberry. You can never go wrong with lip smacker strawberry. I used to use this scent all the time growing up, so let's just try it out. And this one smells spot on to strawberry. This is exactly how I remembered it, if not a little bit sweeter actually. So I'm really digging this strawberry one. I'm really surprised. I love it. Okay guys, so now moving on, we have the Days of the Week pack. I'm so excited to try these out. Okay, so the first one we have is Do the Most Monday Java Chip. Let's see how much this compares to coffee, okay? Okay, so this one definitely smells like coffee, but it smells like a chocolate coffee. Maybe that's why they call it Java chip, you know, like Java chocolate chip or something. But this definitely smells kind of like a, maybe like a Starbucks mocha frappuccino or like a Starbucks Java chip frappuccino. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Up next we have Time to Shine Tuesday Peach Delight, and I just love the color orange that they chose on here. It's like so peachy and cute. Okay, so this one smells exactly like peaches. Like, I am so surprised with these, you guys. Like, these are just amazing so far. They really did good. Okay, Walk Tall Wednesday Green Apple. This smells exactly like green apple. I did buy, it wasn't by Lip Smacker, and it was like a green Jolly Rancher flavor. And it did not smell anything at all like it. If anything, this is way closer to green apple or like a green apple Jolly Rancher than that one was. This is really good. Okay, up next we have Strawberry Pop, Think Big Thursday. Wow, okay, this one might be my favorite, you guys. This one smells so good. It smells like strawberry candy. It's definitely different from like the strawberry one over here. This one has like a strawberry like sweetness to it. It is so good. That one's my favorite so far, I think. Okay, so now up next we have the Be Fierce Friday Fluffy Cotton Candy, which I will have to compare to this cotton candy. Okay, so these two smell really similar, but I'm not sure. These might be the exact same scent, but this one's called Fluffy Cotton Candy and that one's just called Cotton Candy. Now moving on to our Coca-Cola set. So let's just crack this open and see what everything smells like. Okay, so the first one we have here is the original Coca-Cola. Okay, so surprisingly, I really liked this one and I don't really like Coca-Cola that much. Like, I like it, but it's just not at all one of my favorites. Like, I'll drink it if I have to, basically, but this one actually smelled so spot on to Coca-Cola. And what's really cool is that the actual product inside is brown, just like Coca-Cola soda, so I thought that was really fun and interesting. Okay, so now up next we have the cherry Coca-Cola. The inside of this one is like a dark burgundy color, and to me this one smells exactly like cherry Coke. They did really good with this one. Now the one I was most excited to try, the vanilla Coca-Cola. Let's see what color this one is. Oh, it is like a vanilla color, so let's see what this one is like. Okay, this one smells exactly like vanilla Coca-Cola. I'm highly impressed with this. This is definitely one of my favorites so far. Up next, we have the Sprite flavor. Okay, so this one smells exactly like how I remember the Sprite chapstick to smell like from when I was younger. It smells so good. Okay, up next we have root beer, and I really do not like root beer, like, at all. So let's just see how this one goes. Okay, so I did not like it because it smells exactly like root beer. So if you guys really like root beer, this one smells exactly like Barq's root beer. I just personally like can't stand root beer, but if you guys love root beer, this one is like perfect for you. This one smells exactly like Barq's root beer. Up next we have Grape Fanta, and this one smells exactly like Grape Fanta to me. I really enjoyed this one, and I think the packaging on it is so cute and adorable. I love like the foil on it that makes it shiny. And then up next we have the Fanta Orange. Okay, I love orange soda, and this one smells exactly like orange soda. It smells exactly like Fanta Orange, so I'm really impressed with this one. Up next we have Fanta Strawberry. Brian hates strawberry soda, but I love strawberry soda, so let's see how I like this one. Okay, so this one smells really good, but to me it smells almost exactly like the Strawberry Pop one, which isn't that bad, honestly, because I really like Strawberry Pop. But this one smells exactly like Strawberry Pop, so maybe this one was supposed to be like a strawberry soda flavor, and that's why they called it Strawberry Pop. You know how like sometimes people call soda, they just call it pop, so maybe that's why they called it Strawberry Pop. But these smell really similar, and I really like this one. And again, I love the foil packaging on all the Fanta ones. Yeah, just super good. I really like this pack. And then last but not least, we have our Belle. So let's open this up. Her scent is hashtag last rose petal. Okay, you guys, so this one is so cute. On the front, she's smiling, and on the back, she has her emoji heart eyes face. So cute and adorable. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of afraid to open this in fear that like if I were to open this, it would scratch the lip balm. But you guys, it does not. It is perfect. So let's just try this one out. Okay, so this literally smells like roses. I'm not even kidding. This literally smells like roses. I've never had a rose flavored or scented chapstick, so this is like crazy to me that this smells like roses. That is so cool. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my unboxing. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all your guys' love and support. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, you guys, so that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!